Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to remove Buy It Now button on Shopify. So let's get started. So if you want to remove it, what we can do is we can head over in here on our dashboard on Shopify. Then from in here, click on this Customize button. Now on this Customize button, we should be able to see our Shopify editor. Now on the Shopify editor, you should be able to see this homepage. Now click on that homepage. Click on the products right here. Then from in here, you can see this default product. So when you click on that, you should be able to see the product page right here. So what you can do is you can click on this buy buttons right here. And then from in here, it will show you this on your left sidebar. It can be on your right sidebar depending on your device or settings. So as you can see, you can show dynamic checkout buttons. So if you try to uncheck this, it will look like this. It will remove the buy it now, but it will remain the add to cart button. So what you can do next is you can head over and click on save right here. And then let's try to see this actual page of us. And let's reload this. And now on this reloaded page, we can now see that we don't have the buy it now button on our actual product page. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I will try my best to answer. Thanks.